Air hotel prices from multiple different sites. You can pay with
Yeah, see? Same hotel. $120 off.
Is it Chick Trivago? I didn't check Trivago.
Check Trivago to compare prices and save up to 30%. Hotel Trivago.